Hi everyone, Joe Gentile from Sarraf Gentile LLP. Today I want to talk about mandamus lawsuits and the importance of hiring an attorney that's experienced in federal litigation to help you with your case if you're going to file one. So mandamus lawsuits still work. They are still the most effective way to deal with an unreasonable delay in immigration petition. Most of the time when you file a lawsuit, a mandamus lawsuit, the government, instead of fighting the lawsuit, they are more likely than not, they're going to decide your immigration case to avoid fighting the lawsuit. That said, it's very important that the lawsuit that you do file is well pled and it's done correctly. And it's also important that you get competent legal advice before you file the lawsuit to see if the lawsuit makes sense. Because sometimes the lawsuit can hurt you in some situations. So for instance, there are instances where the delay is helpful to you as the immigrant, and it would be not in your best interest to go forward with the mandamus lawsuit. And also, while most mandamus lawsuits don't get contested by the government, they adjudicate the case, your odds of that happening, of being contested, go up a lot if there's mistakes in the complaint and it's a poorly thought out and poorly written complaint. So one thing that people have to realize when hiring somebody to do a mandamus lawsuit is that federal litigation is a very distinct sub-niche within immigration law. Most immigration lawyers do not regularly litigate cases in federal court, and even the ones that do some litigating in federal court, it's usually not primarily what they do. So if there's complexity, if there's pushback from the government, there could be problems if you don't have experienced counsel with you. So whenever you're looking to file one of these cases, it's very important that you look into the attorney's background to see how much experience they have with federal litigation. If they're doing everything there is in immigration law, they're doing family petitions, employment petitions, and by the way, we'll do a writ of mandamus for you, that's usually a red flag. It's not the right people to go with. You want to go with people that either exclusively or nearly exclusively focus on federal litigation. So my firm, we've been doing federal litigation for about 19 years at this point. It's been the main focus of what we've done for most of our careers. We have lots of experience doing mandamus cases, denial cases, and so we would be the type of firm that you'd want to go to for help with a mandamus lawsuit. But the opposite also applies too. We don't have a lot of experience doing immigration petitions, so if you're thinking of filing a petition for an extraordinary ability visa, we wouldn't be the firm to go with. So immigration law is a really vast area. No one lawyer is deeply experienced in all of it. So just make sure that when you're looking for an immigration lawyer to help you with something pretty specific, like a writ of mandamus, that they have deep experience with that specific item, because it's pretty easy to get in trouble if you don't. I hope you like this video. Any questions, please feel free to reach out. Please subscribe. Thanks.